This video I will explain AI tools that will make your life easier. First we will see what are AI tools. AI tools are apps or software that use artificial intelligence to help you to do tasks faster, easier and sometimes better than doing them alone. AI tools work by learning patterns from data and then give you useful results. You can think of AI tools as smart assistants that save you time and effort. First one is writing and content tools. Examples ChatGPT, Grammarly, Quillpot. What they do? Help you to write emails, articles, reports, or stories. Why they useful? They can correct grammar, suggest better words, or even generate full drafts when you are stuck. Second one is image and design tools. Examples Canva AI, DALL-E, Adobe Firefly. What they do? Create or improve pictures, designs, posters, or social media posts. Why useful? You don't need to be a professional designer to make good looking graphics. Third one is voice and speech tools. Examples Google Speech to Text, Voter AI. What they do? Turn spoken words into text, which is called a transcription, or text into spoken voice. Why useful? Saves time when taking notes, recording meetings, or creating voiceovers. Fourth one is productivity and work tools. For examples, Notion AI, Trello AI, and Microsoft Copilot. What they do? Help with planning, organizing tasks, summarizing documents, or managing projects. Why useful? Keeps your work more organized and reduces manual effort. Fifth one is language and translation tools. Examples Google Translate and DeepL. What they do? Translate text or speech into different languages instantly. Why useful? Makes travel easier and helps you to communicate with people who speak other languages. Sixth one is shopping and recommendation tools. Examples Amazon AI recommendations, Netflix suggestions. What they do? Suggest products, shows, or music you might like. Why useful? Saves time searching as you get personalized recommendations. Seventh one is finance and budgeting tools. Examples Clio, Mint, AI based investment apps. What they do? Track your spending, savings, and investments. Why useful? Helps you to make better financial decisions and save money. Eighth one is health and fitness tools. Examples Fitbit AI, MyFitnessPal, and Ada Health. What they do? Track your steps, calories, workouts, or even symptoms. Why useful? Keeps you healthier by giving personalized fitness and health advice. AI tools are helpers, not replacements. They save time, reduce mistakes, and make complex tasks easier. Anyone can use them, not just tech experts. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.